Got back from Black Hawk, Colorado casinos Wednesday, and my sinus problems started up again. It hit the heat and humidity here. I had a little cough in Black Hawk, but now it really got exaggerated when I got back home. So I'm laying there last night now, coughing because the sinus is dripping down my throat, and it's not natural to have anything on your throat. So what happens? You try to cough. So the sinus drips, I cough. Sinus drips, I cough. All night. As I've had it with this. Well, I can't stop my sinus from dripping, but I don't have to cough. So I decided I'm not going to cough anymore. You let the sinus drip down my throat. I'm not going to cough. And it dripped, and I went, I wouldn't cough. And it dripped again. I refused to cough. Cough for what? You're not doing anything. You're just aggravating yourself with a cough. So I just went to sleep, and any time I felt that sinus dripping down my throat and the urge to cough, I said, I'm not coughing. And I wouldn't do it. And I'm not doing it today. I mean, every once in a while I may cough because I'm not paying attention. But when I'm paying attention, I'm not going to cough. This reminds me of what I did when I got in Miami and I was working in engineering in Hialeah, Florida. I had this same sinus problem. This is what is this now? Half a century? I had this same sinus problem. And I told my coworkers, I said, I'm not going to cough anymore. And one of them said, you can't do that. You gotta cough. I said, I'm sorry, I'm not going to do it. And I just quit coughing. So I can't stop the sinus from dripping, but I don't have to react with a cough.